deliciously seasoned roasted vegetable with an incredible seasoning blend. We make this roasted veg at least once a week at my home. They are great. Serve alongside with meat, poultry, seafood. Heavy dish are prepared ahead of time for a healthy meal prepping during the week. Here's my roasted vegetable. Hello dear boarders, welcome back for another exciting and fun, lovely edition of cooking here at Bold Cook TV. In this edition of cooking, I'm going to give you 3 tips for a successful and best oven roasted vegetable. First thing first, you have to get the crispiest vegetable ever. The green vegetable is best. You got some broccoli, zucchini, carrots, asparagus, cauliflower, capsicums. All up to you, it's all good. When you got that finest vegetable of your choice, the next step for you to remember is use a delicious spice mixture. Definitely, you will have the garlic, the pepper, the thyme leaf, oregano, salt. Oh, it's all up to you what spices you want. As long as it will enhance the taste of the food, why not go for it? That's why I keep saying the best food in the world is home-based food, because you can always adjust from ingredients, from the quantity. Well, it's all based up to you. And then the last tips for getting a perfect roasted vegetable is flip the veggies halfway through baking time, because it will definitely help those overlapping vegetable itself to cook it evenly. As easy as 1, 2, 3, you get that delicious roasted vegetable. Thank you for watching everyone here at Bold Cook TV. See you again soon. Bye bye.